pull down on your knot under the bottom and you twist upward just like so. Do not slide your leather, folks, because you can wear your leather out. Just pull down on your knot and twist upward. Slide it off your finger holes. Down on your knot and twist upward. Okay? Welcome, folks. I'm jdflutes. This here is one of my special series low D double drones tuned to 432 Hertz. And this one here, folks, I'm going to sell it half price from what I normally sell them. I'm going to sell this one here for $300 because on the back of it, if you can see it, there's like a little hairline crack right through here. It's been completely sealed so the crack doesn't affect the Flutes voice. So that's why I decided just to sell it for $300. That'll take care of some of my time and some of my cost. But you can see it's a very nice flute. It's a 9-hole drone. The mouthpiece, I have it extremely close together so you won't have any troubles getting it into your mouth. But that's the reason I'm selling this one for $300 is because of the hairline crack. And I also put that in the description, and that way you'll know this is the flute. It's a nice flute, folks. Thank you so much. And I appreciate everything, folks. Have a good one.